Everyone, so I have a bit of a fever here, but I'm going to record this video nonetheless. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm posting 12 pieces of unique content every single week while running 2 companies, and this will only require 2 hours of manual input every week. So this is 2 hours of input from your end. Now in grand total this is about 10 hours of input, but with these systems that I'm about to show you, you can essentially delegate and outsource everything for a very cheap price because the tasks are so simple to complete. All right, so let's focus on the broad overview first, which is sort of how the system works in a nutshell. Then I'm going to show you the schedule for running this, and then I'll just walk you through quickly like the systems and how to create systems for all of these different processes and tasks involved. So let's look at the system, a broad overview here at first. So everything is essentially built of systems, and what we have here is a chain of systems. So all pieces of content are connected, and we start with the long form content because long form content has the most leverage, right? You cannot convert any other form of content into long form videos, but you can, on the other hand, convert long form videos into every single format, right? So it starts essentially with the video idea. That's the sort of initial input. That's the master input for the entire system. And then we have the process here for turning this video idea into one long form video. And after that, we turn this long form video into a announcement post. And an announcement post is essentially just a post on LinkedIn, Facebook, and community, which just here's the video I made, go check it out. That's an announcement post, right? And here in between we have the process for converting it into that output. Simultaneously, we use this one long form video to create 2 short form videos, right? So long form video, and now we're creating 2 short form videos based on this long form video. And here we also have sort of the process for doing that. And once we have 2 short form videos, well, then we create 2 value posts based on those short form videos. So then we have another system where we use these short form videos as inputs for the next system. And then we have the system for converting it into 2 value posts, right? So the beautiful thing here is that short form videos, they contain hook, context, visuals, editing, right? They have the hook and context. So when we download the transcript of those videos, well, then it's super simple to create a prompt and have AI generate 2 value posts, right? So here's another sort of overview you can think of here. So we have idea, which is the input. Then we create a long form video. Then we create, using the transcript of this long form video, we create the announcement post. And using the visuals of the long form video, we create 2 short form videos. And using the transcript of those short form videos, we create 2 text posts. So this will add up to 6 unique pieces of content every week. And I run this twice a week. This exact system I run twice a week. So all I have to do every single week is come up with a video idea and record a raw video of the long form video essentially. And every step after that is completely automated. It requires no involvement from me whatsoever. I only need to be involved in the first system in this chain here. All right. And here's sort of, you can see sort of the metrics I'm getting here. And I actually started running this system fairly recently. Let me just scroll. Can I scroll somewhere? No. Let's zoom out then, I guess. Oh, so annoying that you can't see that. Anyways, you can see sort of the important parts here. And this is essentially what it looks like. So you can see the 4th was when I started with this system, and all of the impressions here on YouTube have skyrocketed. If we go to LinkedIn stats, you can see from the 4th here, well, not skyrocketed, but they've gone up significantly. So yeah, this is the essentially how the system works. Now, let's get to the, upload schedule, I guess. This is the first schedule. So we have the upload schedule and then we have the production schedule. So in the upload schedule, here is sort of what we're going to post every week. We have 2 community posts, 4 short form videos, and 2 long form videos on YouTube, 2 announcement posts on LinkedIn, 4 short form videos, and 4 text form posts. So total 10 uploads on LinkedIn, and we have the exact same schedule for Facebook. So let me walk you through LinkedIn and YouTube, because the Facebook and LinkedIn schedule are exactly the same. So on YouTube at 4 p.m. we post the first long form video, which is called LF 1.0, and simultaneously we post the announcement post on LinkedIn and on YouTube. Then on LinkedIn on Tuesdays we have a text form post at 12 p.m. and then we post the short form video at 4 p.m. And the same thing applies to YouTube, only that we don't post the text form content. And then on Wednesday, same schedule, but we post the text form 2.0 and the short form 1.0 v2. And same applies to YouTube, right? So you can just pause the video here if you want to read through the rest of the schedule, but that's nonetheless how it looks. Then we have the production schedule, and this is worth mentioning. The production schedule happens 7 days before the upload schedule. So what this means is that we're always 7 days ahead with our production. So what I produce this week will be uploaded next week. What I produce next week will be uploaded the week after, right? So that's how it works. And then here is the tasks, right? So we have my tasks here, 2 long form videos, 4 short form videos, 2 announcement posts. That's on my to-do list, and as of now it's actually just these 2 up here. And you can create short form videos based on the long form video, meaning you just cut out a snippet of the long form video, but the quality sort of drops, and I prefer to record it. It takes like a minute, so it's whatever. And here we have my VA's tasks. So create 2 thumbnails, edit 2 long form videos, edit 4 short form videos, and create 4 text form content, right? So here we have it. On Mondays, I record the first long form video, and I record the 2 short form videos sort of that's attached to this one based on this long form video. Then on Tuesdays, my VA, he creates the thumbnail for the first long form video, and he edits the long form video 1.0. While I'm recording the second long form video, and I'm recording the 3rd and 4th short form video for the week. And then on Wednesday, he will edit the first long form video, the second long form video, and he will convert these 2 long form videos into text form content, right? And on Thursday, he will create the thumbnail for the second long form video and edit the second long form video. And on Friday, he will edit the 3rd short form video, you can say, and the 4th short form video, and convert both of those short form videos into value textual content for LinkedIn and Facebook. And on Fridays, I will create the announcement posts for those long form videos. And then at the evening on Friday or Saturday, I simply just schedule all of the uploads for the upcoming week. So that's how my schedule works and how the system works. And you notice here that sort of this process here, so we have the long form video, and then we have a process and how to turn it into an announcement post. Let's take, this one, for example, how to turn it into one long form video. Well, all of these things, you need to create systems for it. You need to create SOPs for it, and sort of how to do it. And by having these systems, you can outsource it for so much cheaper, right? Because if you don't know how to edit a short form video, or if you don't have a system for it, well, then you need to hire someone with the knowledge for how to do it. And knowledge is usually like the part that costs the most amount of money. It's the value part, right? But if you create systems around it, you can outsource it for cheap. So you start here, for example, with the YouTube video recording and editing, right? So it starts with me writing a hook, then I create a video outline, then I record the video, and if I'm satisfied with the video, then I upload it to Drive, and then I download the video or my VA. You can see here it's split into me, VA, and automated, right? So then my VA takes over here, it downloads it as MP4, he skims through the video, he makes a raw trim of the video, and then we use AI, right, to cut out buzzwords and silences. Then he watches the video, adjusts the video, and when he's satisfied with the video, he uploads it to Drive, and then I simply watch it, approve it, and schedule the video, right? Now let's talk about like text-based content production, right? So it starts with my VA. He uploads the short form video to Converter app. And then Converter app converts the short form video audio into text. And then you paste this transcript into ChatGPT under prompt 1A, which we have a link to here. And ChatGPT will then generate a text form post, and then we paste it into a Google document. He adjusts the post, uses Napkin to create visualize, picks the image, downloads the image, uploads everything to the Drive, and then I will schedule the posts. And attached to every one of these, we have a video walkthrough and sort of a text, well, step-by-step guide, right? And I have this for all of these systems, but I haven't pasted it in this Miro board yet. But that's nonetheless how my system works, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you want to join my community where I will have a guide on all of this very shortly, then simply click the first link in the description and it will take you to a funnel and you can learn more there. Anyways, that's it for me. Cheers.